Shalom, give all praise to Yahweh, Bashem, Yahushua, Rakah Kadash. Double honors, a great millstone. Elders, apostles, and apostle elect. I say subscribe to this woman's channel. She has a message. She has a message to the world. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go into the scripture. Start out with Joel 2:28. It says, "And it shall come to pass afterward, will I pour out my spirit upon all flesh, and your sons and your daughters shall prophesy." Okay, we having your sons and daughters prophesizing. All right, how can you Israel 2/3 cannot believe the Bible is real? Your old man shall dream dreams. Your young man shall see visions. Okay, I want to go into the scripture. She recited First Peter 4:17. All right, because I said this before that I believe 2021 is going to be a big Esau sacrifice. A lot of you Negroes and Hispanics is going to get death in 2021. First Peter 4:17. If you don't take this warning, for the time is come that judgment must begin at the house of the Most High, Yahweh Bashem, Yahushua, who we ignorantly call Jesus Christ. You have to have his name. All right, Great Millstone been pushing his truth week in and week out. All right, and all you do is give deaf ear. What shall the end be of them that obey not the gospel of the Most High? Verse 18. And if the righteous scarcely be saved, all right, the 144,000 is going to be scarcely make it out of here. When the chariots come, sweet chariots swinging low, baby. Where shall the ungodly and the sinners appear? All right, they're going to be weeping and gashing their teeth. Let me go on this scripture. I ain't going to be long with this video. Those who get it, or praises. Those who don't, hey, man. You be the real feast. Sirach 5:3. And said not, who shall control me for my works?